Now here's almost the final step, besides screwing in these pipes, which I've already charged up the water filter. This is a Soft Pro bone char water filter, and get this last piece, last couple joints here, and we'll see if I just installed a shower head or if I hooked the water back up to the house. So it's shut off there. I'm gonna turn the main water on. Well, I'm not wet from above yet, but so it's shut off here. There's probably air, so hopefully this doesn't rock too bad when I turn this. Okay, here it goes. Not leaking yet, is it? I had a little bit of trouble getting this together. There was some water kept dripping out there. I think I had finally gotten it stopped. But the measurement here was a bit rough. Getting these, I had to kind of smack it to get the holes to go in properly. But yeah, it looks like it's not yet leaking. I'm happy.